Hey, what is going on everyone? This is your tech buddy, and today in this video I'm going to be talking about the new emojis that you will be getting in the new iOS 14 update given by Apple in a couple of weeks. So I'm sure all you iPhone lovers and iPhone users, you're really excited. I'm excited too. So let's get started and have a look at them. So as you all know, Apple is going to release its iOS 14 update in a couple of weeks, which will bring a whole bunch of features like the Android styled widgets, the app library instead of the app drawer, then there's picture-in-picture mode, a smaller user interface for Siri and in order to make phone calls, and a lot of other features as well. One of those features is the new emojis that you will be getting in this update. So there are 117 in total emojis that you'll be getting. Out of those, Apple has given us a preview of 13 of them, and they're pretty cool. So let's have a look at them one by one. So first one is a dodo, which is pretty simple. The second one is a Russian style nesting dolls, which is actually very detailed. So you can see all the colors and all the details in this emoji. Then there's pinata, tamale, pinched fingers, boomerang, ninja, coin, anatomical heart, beaver, transgender symbol, bubble tea, and finally lungs. So that was a quick video about these new emojis that we were able to have a preview from Apple. So I'm really excited and I hope you are excited too. So I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.